If you've ever accidentally deleted a task in Asana, you know that heart-dropping moment when you realize something important might have just disappeared. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to recover deleted tasks in Asana, whether you just clicked delete or noticed later that something is missing from your project. By the end of this video, you'll know what steps to take when you still have a quick undo option and what to do for trickier situations so you can breathe easy and keep your workflow on track. Let's get right into it, starting with the quickest and most forgiving approach for those moments when you catch the deletion right away. So imagine you've just deleted a task, maybe by accident, and you're still on the same Asana screen. The good news is, Asana usually gives you a short window to undo the action. Look toward the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a small notification pop up, often saying something like, "Task deleted, undo." This notification is your lifeline. It doesn't stick around long, so keep an eye out and don't hesitate. Simply click the undo link, and Asana will immediately restore your deleted task right back to its original place in your project, including any details, attachments, and comments it had. If you feel like your mouse hand is too slow, you can use keyboard shortcuts instead. On Windows, just press Ctrl+Z. On a Mac, Command+Z does the trick. This shortcut is a universal undo, kind of like turning back time for your last action. It's especially handy if you're moving fast or if the notification has already disappeared. Think of it as an immediate safety net for common mishaps like accidental deletions, so don't be afraid to use it. Now, sometimes you might not catch the deletion right away. Maybe you've already closed Asana, or it's hours later when someone mentions a missing task in a meeting. In these cases, undo won't help. But don't worry, there's still hope if you're using Asana as part of an organization and you have admin privileges. Recovery is still possible through the admin console. First, the organization admin needs to sign into Asana. Up in the top right corner, click their profile picture and select Admin Console. Once inside, look on the left sidebar for something labeled Deleted Items, or Trash. That's Asana's version of a recycle bin. This area collects recently deleted items, giving admins the chance to review and restore them. To find a particular task, you can search by its name, the person who deleted it, or the date it was removed. Once you spot the task you want to bring back, select it and hit the Restore button. Asana will return it to its original project, and it'll even reassign it to the original person. So you don't need to worry about correcting details or losing context. It's a little like retrieving something from your office shredder before it's gone forever. Just a note here, this process is only available to organization admins. If you're in a free workspace or you aren't an admin, unfortunately you won't be able to recover tasks this way if that initial undo option is gone. If you do find yourself locked out of both methods, maybe you're using Asana's free plan and you missed the undo window. The only option left is to manually recreate the task. It's not ideal, but starting a new task with the same name and details will get your workflow moving again. Whenever you're in doubt or run into a tricky situation with task recovery, Asana's Guide Online is a really solid resource for more detailed help and troubleshooting. I hope this tutorial gives you the confidence to recover deleted tasks in Asana, whether it's a simple undo or a deeper restore from admin. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Share your recovery stories or questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides to make your digital life easier. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.